Oore jewelry review, legit or a scam? Oore jewelry review, legit or a scam? If you're searching for jewelry online, Oore jewelry might have caught your attention. Most people get this wrong by assuming that a professional website guarantees reliability. The surprising truth is that Oore jewelry is generally legitimate, though a few considerations are important. You won't believe what happens next. Oore jewelry offers trendy rings, necklaces and earrings at competitive prices. Payments are secure and customers report receiving products that match the online descriptions. Shipping is usually on time and the website provides basic customer support for returns or exchanges. Some minor complaints include occasional delays or slight differences in colour or design from the images online. These issues are typical in online jewelry retail, but worth noting if timing is crucial, such as for gifts. Always check the return policy before purchasing. In conclusion, Oore jewelry is a legitimate online retailer with generally positive reviews. Start with a smaller order to test reliability and shipping times, and you'll likely have a safe and satisfying shopping experience.